Assalamu alaikum students. In today's section, we will learn about conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases or sentences. Conjunction वो words होते हैं जो कि words को, phrases को, clauses को और sentences को join करते हैं. Conjunctions कौन से word होते हैं? And, but, or, because, so, although. These are the few examples of conjunction. Now let's discuss further example of conjunctions. Ali and Sarah are friends. अब इसमें हमने कौन सा conjunction use किया है इस sentence में? And. Ali and Sarah. Second sentence, I wanted to go, but it was raining. Now इस sentence में हमने कौन सा conjunction use किया है? But. I wanted to go, but it was raining. You can have tea or coffee. In this sentence, we use or as a conjunction. She stayed home because she was sick. Now, in this sentence, we use because as a conjunction. Now, there are two types of conjunctions. Number one, coordinating conjunction. Number one, subcoordinating conjunction. Now, let's discuss what a coordinating conjunction is. They join equal part of a sentence. Coordinating conjunction क्या होते हैं? ये equal parts, independent parts of the sentence को join करते हैं. I like apples and bananas. Apples and bananas दोनों equal part हैं, independent part हैं. तो इनको and से हमने join किया. He is tired but happy. अब इसमें हमने but use किया. We can go now or later. So and but और हम लोग इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. अब डिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस के लिए और इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस के लिए कौन सा यूज़ करते हैं? सब कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस यूज़ करते हैं. सब कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस एक डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज को एक इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज के साथ ज्वाइन कर देता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई स्टेड होम बिकॉज आई वाज सिक. मैं घर पे रुकी बिकॉज मैं बीमार थी. I was sick. Although it was raining, we went out. So here we use although. I will come if you call me. Now you know but and if situation. But and if situation जो है वो हमेशा एक dependent और एक independent clause को join करती है. If वहाँ पे आता है जहाँ पे एक independent यानी एक condition आ जाती है. I will come, मैं आऊँगी अगर तुम मुझे बुलाओगी तो. I hope you understand this. Now let's do a activity. It will help you to have a further understanding of the topic. In this activity, you have to join the sentences by using conjunction and, but, and, because. So I am giving you 5 minutes. Pause this video and join these sentences with the given conjunctions. Okay, let's move on further. Now take out your copies and you have to write these exercises down in your copies. Okay, try to solve these exercises. Join these sentences. There are two sentences given and you have to join these sentences using conjunction. So try to solve it on your own, then I'll share the answer keys with you. And you have to write it down in your copies. I was tired, dash, I went to sleep. I was tired, तो हम कौन सा कंजंक्शन यूज करेंगे? So I went to sleep. She is poor but happy. You can take tea or coffee. हम उसको चॉइस दे रहे हैं दैट आप टी भी ले सकते हो या कॉफ़ी भी ले सकते हो. तो जब भी या आ जाता है हम इंग्लिश में और यूज़ करते हैं. He stayed home. He was ill. Why he stayed home? Because he was ill. Now जहाँ पे भी कोई reasoning provide की जा रही होती है वहाँ पे हम because use करते हैं. Let's move on further. So this is the second exercise, and you also have to write this down in your copies. Again, you have to choose the correct conjunction. यहाँ पे आपको conjunction already given है और उसमें से आपको correct conjunction select करना है. So I'm pausing the video. Pause the video again and write it down in your copy and try to solve it on your own. Then I'll share the answer keys with you. Okay, these are the answer keys. Uh, I'm also giving you a little homework. I have attached the worksheet in the slide and also uploaded the worksheet in the folder as well. So what you have to do, you have to print this worksheet out and attach it in your copy and solve it in your copy, okay? Okay, this is the end of our session. I hope the topic is clear to you. If you have any questions, you can ask me once the school is open. Thank you so much. See you all in the next session. Allah Hafiz.